Hello everyone, I am in this video with a new topic for you, how you can change into the new UI preview in Android Studio, as it is the latest feature and new feature announced in Android Studio. To get started, we need a few steps. For example, you need to open a project in Android Studio. You can see this is the default environment or UI in Android Studio. You can see this is the build and many more things are very simple and it was like previous. So to change it, we need to go to settings and here click on appearance and behavior and then new UI. So we have an option here, new enable new UI. You need to be the latest version of Android Studio to get this feature. So I will click apply and then restart now. Android Studio will restart. We will wait for this. Congratulations, now you can see that we are in the new UI of Android Studio. So this is the perfect UI you can use very simply. Everything is on your head and on your desk, so you can use it very perfectly and easily, as this is the new feature of Android Studio, so they will work on it to improve and get everything benefitful for this. This is also benefitful for beginners who newly start Android Studio because it is a very simple environment. You can see this is the login, the problems tab here. You can find many things, for example, settings from here. We can also revert back to the default using the settings we previously did. This is the menus here, for example, file. Everything is very easily you can see on the screen. So this is the new UI. You can also build a project from that hammer button and you can see that project is building. So this is the new UI. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.